This is an update for Survival Seeds 2026. Uh, as you know, my garden was hit pretty bad with herbicide drift, so there's not a lot left growing from the actual survival seeds. This tower has tomatoes, mostly Gigi's Glory. This tower has kale, a couple of parsley plants, some tomatoes, but it does have the Genovese basil that was from the survival seeds, and it's doing really well. I tried to cut off a piece and root it, but was not successful. This tower is filled with mini cucumbers, more tomatoes. There's strawberries back in the back over there that didn't really do anything this year. This has different plants, lavender, basil, peppers, a couple of tomatoes, peppers over here, mainly peppers, some lettuce, some tomatoes growing. This is Casino by Joe Raris, and it is probably the pride and joy at this point. The fact that it survived and didn't get hit with the herbicide and actually has a fruit growing on it. I'm really happy about that. These were old seeds, and it was kind of an experiment to see if we could get it to grow. Everybody in TLC got seeds from Lauren, and we all planted them, and we're waiting to see what happens now. These are my onions. Again, those weren't part of survival seeds, but I planted them around the same time, and I'm just waiting to see what happens with them. Over here are some fava beans that I grew since March. The planter was overtaken with vines. It was huge, and you can see the pods for these things are gigantic. So at this point, I'm trying to grow out a few for seed for next year. This tower had the giant onion in it. I removed it. I've slowly been removing them one by one as they completed growing and died off. I have tons of chopped onion in my freezer. It's great. So I will definitely be entering that challenge again next year and have a lot of fun with it. The guys over in England and Cornwall, and they're just so much fun. And I've really learned a lot growing with them this year. And then these are peas growing in here now, which I've had in here quite a while, and just waiting to see what happens with them. Down here are some green beans with some funky stuff on the leaf. Couple of beans on there. We'll pick this one because it's ripe enough. And some coleus that I tossed in there at some point. And then some other small flowers that are growing over here. And that's really it. There are sunflowers growing back there that are doing pretty well. They've all opened at different times, and some got very tall, others stayed small. A couple of cosmos, some zinnias, and a few marigolds. So that was my flower garden, or what's left of it. And that's it. See you next week.